Hello.
He's like, I got you guys.
How you doing?
Good, good.
All right. Hello, boss. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Where you going?
I'm going back home.
All right. Biking, walking. Street car free zone. The street is closed. Dog. What the hell? Have a great day. All right. Street car free zone. Woohoo! Street car free zone. Oh my gosh. A drink? A drink? So, yes, soda.
I'll just like you
$2. Do you take card? All right.
Barbecue there and we'll remodel it, fix it, put a new roof on. So yeah,
No big deal, just curious.
that's cool. Stop by July 4th.
There you go. And then the cold ones are in the cooler there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right there. That's what you want, a video right there.
A video?
Video this dude.
Okay, he needs a video. All right. This is what I'm doing right now.
Hang five it, something you can pull easy. Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Do some pinky squeaks. Nice.
Nice.
It's Andrew right there. Best freestyle in Tucson. Seriously. You guys voted in Tucson City?
Nope. I'm not allowed to. I'm not a citizen yet.
Okay. Good luck on that, man. If that's what you want.
I want to be a citizen and vote.
Well, I hope that works out.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Rwanda.
Where?
Rwanda.
Uganda. Huh?
Rwanda.
Oh, Rwanda.
Yes.
Rwanda. Oh. Well, there's plenty of other problems there. So what do you think about the Hotel Rwanda guy that was arrested and then just
You say
released?
Savagina? I don't know. It's
in
a
the States,
political thing, but I hope it's. I don't know.
I mean, everybody that saw the movie here about Hotel Rwanda.
You
know
saw
that,
the movie?
Yeah, you know that movie.
Yeah.
Everybody that saw that thinks he's a great guy, and then we couldn't figure out why he was arrested.
Why?
By the president.
Yeah. Just a question of politics.
So he was
I don't know.
arrested just because of politics?
He was a politician. But
Yeah.
I don't know why though.
Well, I heard that
That's a good question.
now he got released, so. I
Yeah, he
guess-
was released.
So that was good.
Some days, yeah.
Good. Okay. Good luck.
Yeah. You should visit Rwanda sometimes.
I'd like to. What's it like?
It's how it's like.
Yeah. Is
It's
it like
green.
is it like dry desert like this?
No. It's green. It's a beautiful city.
Okay.
It's improving, developing. Yeah.
So, would you go back and live there?
I will go to visit some friends of mine.
But you don't want to live there anymore.
I have a job here. Yeah.
Okay. Well, good luck on that. Thanks, man.
Also got a give a shout out to the Bashful Bandit Barbecue Smokehouse. Some good food over there. The Bashful Bandit's going to be opening up a brand new smokehouse barbecue location at the old Bashful Bandit site on Speedway. Hopefully by July. Keep an eye out for that. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yes. Mine? Oh, thank you. Hey, how are you? Bye.
Thanks for volunteering, guys.
You're welcome. Hey, what is the main idea? What is the idea of saving Tucson?
Oh, Serve Tucson? So Serve Tucson is basically it's an organization where we can like volunteer. We the main leaders his name is Mike Byer.
Yes.
And, he basically he believes in sort of like in like these large scale kind of volunteering projects where we kind of like clean up streets, we clean up roads.
Yes.
We try to like do things where it has like a big impact on the community, because
Yes.
like usually when you have like people like cyclists going by or like cars driving by, they kind of see the trash, they kind of like see things that like make Tucson kind of like look probably dirty, but we try to clean that up so we can like leave like a positive image and impact on our community.
Yes.
And yeah, that's pretty much the main idea.
I want to be part of this leadership thing.
Oh really?
Yes, yeah. I'm a certified leader.
Really? So with Serve Tucson, there's not really like a membership or like a way of joining it per se.
Okay.
But you can participate in the volunteering. It's like a non kind of member like organization where you just simply like participate in the events. So
Okay.
So yeah, there's a website. It's called servetucson.com, and
Okay.
yeah, and it has all of like the events like posted there.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, like if you want to join, if you want to like join like an
wanna-
event,
yeah.
it's on that website.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Where is this? What the heck? Woo! Where is this going to? Where is this going? What the heck? Mababa ariko se.
Each night I leave the bar when it's over, not feeling any pain, losing time. But tonight your memory felt much too slow. I couldn't drink enough